I always fly it close to the ground. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Greetings, alishanmao here. Well, people ask me, how is my M2 is doing? This is the OMP Hobby M2 dual brushless motor direct drive RC helicopter, and this is the first one. It's not 2020 or the Explorer model. It's the first one that came out, and I still have it, and I haven't flown it for a long time. So let's see how it's performing. I've crashed it a couple of times and repaired it, and it's still alive. So let's see how it flies. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Oh, I have really set up a lot of head speed there. So let's just keep it at low head speed. Still flies very well, mashallah, and very locked in actually. Looks like my batteries of M2 are getting older, I think. I don't know, with M2 I always fly it close to the ground. No, that was too close, man. Man, this old baby still has a lot of punch and a lot of bite in it, man. Mashallah, mashallah, it still has a lot of punch and a lot of bite, man. Beautiful, mashallah. It still flies very well. In the beginning, it was the only dual brushless motor direct drive RC helicopter, and OMP Hobby did absolutely a wonderful job on M2. So it's still flying very well, and it's still got a lot of performance in it. And because it was the only one that time and I had to crash it, so I have stocked very nice you know, stock of parts for this one. And whenever I crash it, mostly it's the main shaft that bends, replace it. A feathering shaft, replace it. Blades, I have broken only one so far, and the tail boom I have broken one with the tail rotor one. So basically just these little things break, rest, everything is fine, and it's very easy to repair. All of these dual brushless motor direct drive RC helicopters are basically very easy to repair, so no doubt there. Thank you very much for watching this flight. Enjoy and give this flight a big thumb up. Give this video a big like, stay subscribed to my channel, hit that little bell icon and turn on all the notifications. GoPro, stop recording.